Unveiling the mysteries of modal verbs, might, could, and may. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of modal verbs in English, specifically focusing on might, could, and may. These powerful little verbs are a part of our daily conversation, but they are often used incorrectly. The focus of our lesson will be on using these verbs to express uncertain deduction, a way of expressing something that we think or guess but are not completely sure about. So, buckle up as we begin our linguistic journey. Before we dive into the specifics of might, could, and may, let's take a moment to review what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are special types of verbs that are used together with the base form of another verb to express attitudes and ideas about the likelihood, necessity, obligation, permission, and ability. They give us extra information about the function of the main verb that follows. Now, let's shift our focus to might, could, and may. When these verbs are used for uncertain deduction, they express a guess or a possibility. For instance, might, it's dark outside. He might be sleeping. Could, she's not answering her phone. She could be in a meeting. May, they're not at home. They may have gone out. In all these examples, we're not sure about the situation, but we're making an educated guess. Although might, could, and may are often interchangeable when expressing uncertain deduction, there can be slight differences in the degree of certainty. Might generally suggests a lesser degree of certainty. He might have missed the bus. There's a possibility. Could hints at a bit more certainty than might. He could have missed the bus. It's quite plausible. May implies a bit more confidence in the deduction. He may have missed the bus. It's fairly likely. Please note, however, that these differences are subtle and can depend on the speaker and the context. And there you have it, everyone. That was our deep dive into might, could, and may for uncertain deduction. Remember, it's all about expressing an educated guess or a possibility, and it's a fantastic way to express uncertainty in your conversations. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you could master it sooner than you may think. Thank you for joining us on this language journey today. Keep practicing and don't forget to use these modal verbs in your daily conversations. See you in the next lesson.